Hello children, let us continue chapter number 5 in English grammar, the present tense. We have already covered the simple present tense, the present progressive tense. Today let us do present perfect tense, present perfect continuous tense. Okay children? Children, now let us learn first about the present perfect tense. The present perfect tense refers to an action just completed. Here the general form of present perfect tense is has or have plus V3. From has or have we have to choose one word and then we have to use the third form of the verb or past participle form of the verb, that is V3. Example, has finished or have finished. When the subject is singular we use has and when the subject is plural we use have. Okay children? When present perfect tense is used, we use the present perfect tense to show a completed action whose completion is more important than the time at which it got over. Example, the teacher has finished the unit. Here has finished shows present perfect tense. We used the word has because the teacher is singular subject. Okay. Another usage is we use the present perfect tense to refer to a past event which is completely finished but still affects our present. Example, see children, the marriage procession has arrived. Here the past perfect tense is past perfect not, present perfect tense is has arrived. Here see children, it means go and receive the guest. Procession has come, so we have to receive the guest. So it shows an action which is completely finished but still affects our present. Okay. Number C. Sometimes we use words like just, already, yet before the main verb in the present perfect tense. Example, see here, I have just informed my parents about the accident. Here children, we have the word just in the sentence. So whenever we have the word just, already, yet, etc., we use the present perfect tense. Here the present perfect tense is have informed. Here we have the word just. Okay children? Children, now let us do practice exercise 10. Fill in the blanks with the appropriate present perfect tense form of the verbs given in brackets. Children, you know what is present perfect tense? The general form is has or have plus V3. V3 means past participle form or third form of the verb. Okay. First one, he dashed his uniform with detergent powder. Bracket word is wash. So what is the present perfect tense? The general form you remember has or have plus V3, has or have. Here which word will come has or have? Subject is he. So what will come? Subject is singular. So we have to use the singular verb. What is the singular verb from has or have? Has. Okay. Have is the plural verb. So he has and V3 form of wash is wash. So he has washed his uniform with a detergent powder. Okay children. So answer is has washed. Number 2, I dash score the highest marks in English. Here, what will come children? Has or have plus V3. After the word I, what will come has or have? With the I, always we have to use the word have. Okay, V3 of score is scored. So, what is the answer? I have scored the highest marks in English. Okay children, I have scored the highest marks in English. Number 3, our house captain dash write a beautiful one-act play for the inter-house competitions. Here what is the present perfect tense of write? Has or have plus V3. So our house captain, captain is singular. So singular word, coming time singular, verb we have to use, that is has. And here write, what is the V3 of write? Written. Write, wrote, written. So third column what word comes? Written. So our house captain has written a beautiful one-act play for the inter-house competitions. Okay children? Number 4, the teachers finished the evaluation of the answer scripts. So here from the word has or have, what will come? The subject is the teacher, so it is plural. So plural verb we have to use, it is have. And V3 of finish is finished. So the answer is have finished. The teachers have finished the evaluation of the answer scripts. Okay children, now the last question is, the principal invite all parents on the school annual day. Here bracket word is invite. So it's a present perfect tense is has or have plus V3. The principal, it is singular, so we have to use the word has, and invite V3 is invited. So the final answer is has invited. So the principal has invited all parents on the school annual day. Okay children. Now let us do practice exercise 11. Fill in the blanks with the appropriate present perfect tense form of the verb given in brackets. Children, present perfect tense is has or have plus V3. That you must know very well. Okay children. And here we have 5 questions. First one is, I dash lodged a complaint with the police. What is the past? What is the present perfect tense of lodged? Here after the word I we have to use has or have. When the subject is I, then we use the plural verb. What is the plural verb? Have. Okay. And V3 of lodged is lodged. So the answer is I have lodged the complaint with the police. Question number 2. He dash marry his daughter of. So present perfect tense is has or have plus V3. He after what word will come from the two words has or have? He is singular subject, we have to use so has. Marry, its V3 is married. We have already learned marry, married, married. So that is the third column word is the V3 form. So married. He has married his daughter off. Number 3. They dash settle in the USA. So what is the present perfect tense of settle? Here first word. What is the first word? They. It is plural, so we have to use the plural verb have. And settle, V3 is settle. So the answer is they have settled in the USA. Okay. They have permanently. We have one word in middle. So the answer is they have permanently settled in the USA. Number 4. We dash win the cricket match against Australia. So the first word is we. So we have to use the plural form have. And win, its V3 is won. Win, won, won. Okay, so we have won the cricket match against Australia. Number 5. All my friends joined the coaching institute. So children, your subject is all my friends. So it is plural, so we have to use the word from the two words has or have we have to use, and join. V3 form of join is join. So the answer is all my friends have joined the coaching institute. Okay children, so depending upon the subject, whether it is singular or plural, we have to use the word has or have. I coming time we use have. He is singular, so we use has. They, the word is plural, so we use have. We, plural subject, so have. All my friends, plural subject, so we use have. Okay children. Now let us do practice exercise 12. Fill in the blanks with the appropriate present perfect tense form of the verbs given in the bracket along with words like already, just, yet, still, etc. Children, here we have to use the proper present perfect tense, and also we have to use any one of the words already, just, yet, still, etc. Okay, here we have 5 questions. Let us see one by one. I dash see it. Here present perfect tense is has or have plus V3. So I after which word will come from has or have? We have already learnt. After I we have to use have. I have seen. V3 is seen. I have seen it. And any one word we have to use. So I use already. I have already seen it. Okay children. Number 2. She dash go to the market. Here present perfect tense is she has gone to the market. we can use any one of the words, and I use here just. She has just gone to the market. Okay children, here the words already, just, yet, still, etc. we use between the two words. Okay. Number 3. I wrote a letter, however I dash not post it. Here negative present perfect tense. Okay. So after the word I, we have to use the word have. I have not yet posted it. Okay. Number 4. Sorry, I dash meet her yet. Here after the word I, we have to use the word have. Meet past participles. Met, meet, met, met. So third column word is met. So sorry, I have not met her yet. Okay children. Number 5. I dash see this movie. Here after the word I, we have to use have, and see past participle is V3 is seen, and any one word we have to use already, just, yet, still. So I use the word already. I have already seen this movie. Okay children. Children, now let us learn about the present perfect progressive tense. The general form of present perfect progressive tense is has or have plus been plus be for or present participle or ing form of the verb. Example, has been writing, have been writing, and here we have 3 words in the example. See, in the general form, from has or have, we have to use any one word depending upon the subject. If subject is singular, we use has, and if subject is plural, we use the word have. Second word is been, okay, and third word is the ing form of the verb form. Here verb is write and ing form is writing. So when the present perfect progressive tense is used, we use the present perfect progressive tense to refer to an action in continuation for a period of time or from a point of time in the past, and which is still going on at the time of speaking. Children, one work that started in the past and going on at the present time of speaking is used in the present perfect progressive tense. Let us see examples. Mrs. Rekha Sharma has been teaching English since she has joined the school. So, Mrs. Rekha Sharma joined the school, and from that time onwards, she has been teaching English, or presently also she is teaching English in the school. Okay. And they have been taking treatment from Dr. Shah for 5 years. So, they started taking treatment from Dr. Shah, and present time also they are taking treatment from Dr. Shah. So this action is going on. Okay. So this action started in the past and still at the present time also going on. Such tense we use in the present perfect progressive tense. Okay children. And here the word since we have, so it shows a point of time. She has joined school. This is the point of time. And here in the second sentence it is used for, and the word for shows a period of time. Okay, 5 years. That time gap is given 5 years. So when the period is given, then we use the word for. Okay children. Practice exercise 13. Fill in the blanks with appropriate present perfect progressive tense form of the verb given in brackets. Present perfect progressive tenses has or have plus been plus be for. We have 3 words in present perfect progressive tense or continuous tense. First word is has or have, any one word from has or have. Second word is been. Third word is be for, or it can also be said as present participle or ing form of the verb. First question, my brother dash study in the school dash 6 years. Children, here my brother is singular, so we use has. Study, ing form is studying, and second word is been. So my brother has been studying in the school dash 6 years. So here what will come? Here period of time is mentioned, so Here we are using the word for. Okay, children. Number 2. Many of our teachers that teach in the school. That's the inception of the school. So here, children, what is the present perfect progressive tense of teach? Here, many of our teachers, plural subject, so we use the word have been teaching in the school. Here, what will come? See the given words after the blank, the inception of the school. So, it is the point of time given, so we use the word since. Okay, children? Number 3. Some of the boys of my class dash abscond to the school after lunch dash 3 months. Here, some of the boys of my class is the subject, so plural subject, so we use have been absconding. ING form is absconding the school after lunch. Here 3 months is given, period is given, so we use the word for. Okay. Number 4. I dash learn this poem dash 2 hours. Here after the word I we use the word have, then been comes, then learn. ING form of learn is learning. So the answer is I have been learning this poem. Here 2 hours period of time is given, so we use the word for. Okay, children, I have been learning this poem for 2 hours. And last question is, his father dash worked as a member on the managing committee of our school dash January 2018. Here work is given, and what is the present perfect progressive tense? His father has been working as a member on the managing committee of our school. Here January 2018 point of time is mentioned, so we use the word since. Okay, children.